Yup, here again with another video, y'all. Let's go ahead and get through it. Yup, you know what the fuck you click on. But before we jump into this video, before we jump fully 2 feet in this video, what I need you to do is go check out at least one of my audiobooks. Yeah, check out at least one of my audiobooks because I already written about the problem that you have. I already gave you a solution. It's located in one of them audiobooks. So let's go ahead and jump into this now. So over the 1,000 years I've been doing this and getting multiple emails and text messages and stuff like that, and people want to know, what's the secret? What is the secret to getting my expert? What is these secrets and stuff like that? That's why you click on the video, because you want to know some kind of secret strategy or some kind of gimmick or some manipulation tactic you can use. Here's the reality of this, because I'm not one of the people that'll lie to you to keep you coming back. I'm going to tell your ass the truth if you like it or not. There is no secret. Surprise, surprise. There's no secret you need to do. There's no secret. No. It's steps to this shit, yes. Now here's the steps. 3 simple steps you can use. The first step is this: accepting it. Accept your situation for what it is. The more you try to change it, the more you're going to suffer. The more you accept it for what it is, yourself, you know, that's the beginning of your healing process. So the step 1 is to accept it. Accept that your relationship is coming to an end. Accept that it's over. Accept that that person don't want to sign no divorce papers. Accept that that person don't monkey branch to this other off-brand person over here. And you should accept it and let them go. Your attitude should be, they come in the front door, they looking for the back door. They come free, they can leave free. I ain't got no shackles on that hoe. That hoe can go. Because I never seen a UFO and a hoe that won't go, or a faithful hoe. I never seen it. If you seen it, write it in the comments. Write it in the comments. Just say, yeah, Warren, you tripping, man. I seen a faithful hoe that won't go, and I seen a UFO. If you seen it, let me know. But the first step, accept it. The second step is this, and this shouldn't be no surprise. I've been saying this since the 80s when I started making the YouTube video. You must work on yourself. Personal development, personal growth. You have to work on yourself. Like, how do I work on myself? One, I just go lift some weights. No, you must improve in 3 areas so you can be self-reliant and live life on your terms. You must be self-reliant when it comes to romance. You don't need it, you can want it, but you don't need it. You know, I want a Snicker, but I don't need it. You know, I like eating Frosted Flakes with no cereal, but I don't need it. See the difference? Romance, you don't need it. You can want it, but you don't need it. 2, being financially independent. Being financially independent. Now, how you get there, that's on you. You know, you can listen to all these gurus and all that stuff when it comes to finances, but just get there. Don't hurt nobody. And don't sell dope to little kids, you know, but just don't hurt nobody. But second one, financially independent. And the third one is your health, fool. You got to be self-reliant when it comes to your health. You don't rely on no medication, no doctor, no none of that stuff. You can get up and go. All your fingers and toes work. You're blessed. And you got to be self-reliant in those 3 areas when it comes to personal growth. And work on your mental. And you can work on, throw your body in there, that's good. Work, that kind of go along with health. And work on your mental also by reading books. You can start your ass by reading my books. And they're easy access too. You can go click, I know you see that shop button. You can click on the shop button. Or you can go to the link that's in the description and check out all my books, my library. I have a library of books written by me. Me. That's who. Me. So the other one is this. The last and final step is this. Because there is no secrets to this shit. There's no gimmick. You don't have to do no keto, no monkey ass shit like that. You don't have to wait no 30 days or write no punk ass letter. No, none of that shit. You don't have to bend over backwards and kiss nobody ass. Don't beat yourself up about this either. Because in reality, there's nothing you could have done to satisfy that hoe. By choice or by force, they was going to leave you anyway. All relationships come to an end. And that brings us to the last step. You have to change your perspective. Change the way you look at it. Don't look at it as something bad and like, okay, I'm heartbroken, and my whoever this off-brand ass person is to you, my ex or whoever it is, oh, they leaving me. And keep in mind, these strategies go beyond some funky ass little ex. It go in your everyday life, parenting, family, jobs, all that stuff. But you have to change your perspective. What you see as bad, reword how you say it and see it as a challenge. It's an opportunity to grow or something like that. Don't look at it as a problem. See it as a challenge and change your word and how you word your lifestyle. Because if you say problem, then yes, it's going to be a problem. But if you see it as a challenge, you have the opportunity to come up with ideas to get through it. Change your perspective, fool. And that's why I'm here to help. Consider me your little black angel that wears Nike soccer jerseys and, or Adidas or whatever soccer jersey they come in. And I pop out like, hey, yeah, we ain't gonna do that shit right there. What you talking about doing? Yeah, we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna be sitting around plotting people revenge and all that goofy ass shit. Yeah, that's what we ain't gonna do, man. Hey, man, hey, let them go. They ain't come with a ball and chain around their feet when you met them. So, hey, man, they come free, they can go free, man. They can get the fuck on. That's what they can do. Just that way with that shit. Because the thing is, you got to have the attitude of like, I'm the most important person in this relationship anyway. Now with that being said, I got to know there's somebody right there trying to activate me. With that being said, if you need to get in contact with me, send me an email or text me on WhatsApp. Yeah. Or check out one of my audio books. Man, these hoes don't stop. Anyway, so the thing is, man, your purpose come first. I set that shit aside. But it's your purpose come first. God damn, your purpose come first. Now, with that being said, take care of yourself. Peace. And mind your business.